What's up, DHS classes of the future? Today's lab will be the standardization of an AOH. Now, this lab is designed to show you guys how to determine the concentration of an AOH, since it can't be accurately determined. In this lab, you'll be using the method of titration to determine the concentration of NaOH along with some other substances. Now, this lab won't be performed on camera. We're not going to give you guys the answers because that'll take the fun out of doing the lab. Hopefully you guys know what to do. All me and my partner are going to show you is how to properly titrate and use a burette, and a little safety procedures that you need to follow. Alright, now take it over to my partner Jeff Wong and he'll show you the rest.
Safety first, guys. Now what you need is goggles and a lab coat to start the lab. What titration is, it is a method of analysis used to determine the precise endpoint of a reaction. Through titration, one is able to determine the precise quantity of a reactant in a titration flask. These are the basic materials of the lab. First, what you need is distilled water, NaOH, the tip of the burette, the tube of the burette, and the stopper of the burette. Now, to put the burette together, you need to attach the tip of the burette to the stopper of the burette, which is relatively easy to put in. And then what is much harder is to put in the stopper into the tube of the burette. And make sure when you do that, you put it in on the side with where it indicates 25 milliliters.
Yeah. Now we're going to take you guys to the lab. Let's go, let's go.
Now let's look under the hood.
When the burette stopper is vertical, that means that it is open and any solution will flow through it. Now, when it is horizontal, that means it is closed and will stop any solution from flowing through it. Now, to clean the burette, make sure you put in at least 25 milliliters of distilled water. Now make sure you twirl the burette so that you get all the sides of it so that there will be no solution. Now you might want to do this a few more times to make sure that you got everything clean. Now you want to at least run distilled water once through the tip of the burette. Now, to start off the standardization, what you want to do is, you want to standardize your sample. Right now, which is NaOH, you add NaOH into the tube. Now, you add NaOH to the tube so that you purge the tube of any distilled water. Now when you do that, what you want to do is release some NaOH through the tube so that there's no distilled water at the tip. After you've released a few milliliters, now what you want to do is start your titration.
And that's it, guys.